Meanwhile, matches scheduled for the Jamaica Premier League this weekend have been postponed. In a release, the Professional Football Jamaica Limited, PFJL, noted that matches have been postponed due to the CONCACAF Women's Gold Cup qualification match between Jamaica and Guatemala on Sunday at the National Stadium. The matches, which were scheduled for Sunday, were former champions Portmore hosting newcomers Limehall Academy, Humble Iron playing away to Dunbeholden, and defending champions Mount Pleasant travelling to St Elizabeth to face another newcomer Treasure Beach FC. No new dates have yet been set for the postponed matches. Meanwhile, the games slated for Monday, October 30, will go ahead as scheduled. Now it's